Good morning, class. Today we start chapter number 7 in EVS, living and non-living things. So you can see the page number here 51. Okay. So on page number 51 you can see the chapter number 7, living and non-living thing. So let's start, class. So in this chapter we learn about the character of living and non-living thing. So first we know about what is living and non-living thing. Okay. So living thing having the character, they can feel, they can breathe like us. If we are putting our hand in very cold water, so we feel it is cold. And if we are having if we are touching anything which are very hot, so we can feel. So we are living things, so we can feel, we can breathe, and we can reproduce. So these are the character of living things. Like this pen is the example of non-living thing. Okay. So this pen cannot move. Okay. And they cannot breathe, they cannot reproduce, they don't need food and water. So today we learn about characters of living and non-living things. Okay. So I'm writing here some points, class. You can see living thing. Okay. So first point I'm writing here, the first point in the living thing is living thing can move. Okay. So we are living thing, animals and birds all are the living things. So they having the character, they can move from one place to another place. The second point I'm writing here, water and food. Okay. So all living things like us, okay, we all need food and water. Why? Because food and water gives us strength, energy to perform various activities. So all living things need food and water. But non-living thing do not need food and water. Okay. See, I am drawing here one table is there. Okay. This table do not move. This table do not need food. Okay. So I am writing here both of point of living and non-living thing. So you can easily differentiate between living things and non-living things. Third point I am writing here, grow. Okay. So living thing having the character, they can grow. Okay. So we are living beings. Okay. So we can grow. Okay. हम धीरे धीरे grow होते हैं, हमारी length बढ़ती है. Okay. हमारे body parts grow होते हैं. So all living thing having character of grow. But the non-living thing, this is the one table and they do not having the growth. Why? Because this is the non-living thing. Non-living things में ग्रोथ नहीं होती, जैसे वो है एज इट इज़ वो वैसे ही रहते. जैसे मेरे पास ये एक पेन है, सो आफ्टर सम टाइम इफ यू वॉचिंग दिस पेन it will be same. Why? Because this is the example of non-living thing. After this I am writing here fourth point is feel. All living beings having feeling points. Okay. And non-living things do not have feel. Why? Because this is a table. Okay. If you are putting so much of things on it, if we are putting this table in the water, they can't feel. Why? Because this is a non-living thing. Then I am writing here next point is breathe. All living thing can breathe. Okay. You know, we are human beings, without breathe we can't live. But non-living thing do not breathe. आपने कभी टेबल या चेयर को ब्रीथ करते हुए देखा है? No. So non-living thing do not breathe. Then last point I am writing here, class. Living things have the character to reproduce. Okay. लिविंग थिंग्स जो होते हैं वो एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन को रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स में रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होता है. सी, यहाँ पर एक टेबल है, तो इस टेबल से कोई और न्यू टेबल तो जनरेट नहीं होगी. सो दिस इज द कैरेक्टर ऑफ नॉन लिविंग थिंग एंड लिविंग थिंग. सो इन दिस चैप्टर क्लास we learn about first is living thing. Okay. So in living things we can see animals can grow, animals can breathe. Okay. And birds also can grow, birds also can breathe. Okay. Birds also can reproduce. So all these are living things. Okay. and we are humans. Humans also categorized in the living beings. Okay. Then we learn about non-living thing. So non-living thing, you are having so much of examples. Like I am having this pen. So this is a pen. Is a example of non-living thing. Book you can write. Book also example of non-living thing. You can write table here. So table is also example of non-living thing. Okay class. So today we learn about living and non-living things. In this chapter we know about what is the character of living thing and non-living thing. I hope so you all understand about living and non-living thing very well. Okay class. Good day and goodbye.